Okay guys, this tank's taking a while to fill up and it's making a racket of a noise whenever it does it. So I'm going to show you what it does. We'll take a look at it on the inside and then we're going to fix it. So that's what it's doing to fill up. So we're going to replace this part today. Shouldn't take very long. So I've gone ahead and turned the water off right here at the wall. Put a towel down to catch any remaining water that comes out of the tank. But there shouldn't be a whole lot left because I do have a pump, a little siphon, that's going to get most of this water out. Try to empty the tank out. Now I'm not real sure where I got this siphon, where I picked it up, but I'm sure it probably wasn't more than about $15 wherever I got it. It's really handy. Has an angled tip right here, and we're just going to take it and we're going to put the water in the bowl and empty out this tank. This method, there's going to be hardly anything left in here. After that, you're going to loosen this piece right here with a pair of channel locks, and this part will just drop out. Then you have this piece right here that tightens up against the tank. You need to take this one off right here. There it goes. I probably did this one 4 or 5 years ago. I don't know, it could have been longer than that, but I got this at Lowe's for right at $10. So we're just gonna put this one right back in. See how these match perfectly, exactly the same, except this one just came out of the tank and I need to adjust this footing right here to match this one. I'm gonna go ahead, the new one came with this hose, but since this one is already kind of contoured to the tank and the outlet, I'm gonna use this one. And it came with a couple of other things as well, but we're just gonna put this one right back in and use that hose. So when you get it, it's gonna come pretty much closed like this. And if you just turn the bottom a little bit, it slides up and down. And then whenever you want to set it in the position that you want, you just turn it a little bit and then it locks it. So we're gonna go ahead and set it to the height that this one is, and then we'll set it right in there. Just gonna use the same hose. I'm just gonna attach it here. Just slips right up on there. Then we're gonna go ahead and put this into the outlet right here. So you guys can see that I've already put this tube, I've already attached it here and just slid it into the outlet right here. And we're just gonna drop it down into the hole. And now that we're underneath the tank, you can see that we're just going to screw this right back on that we took off earlier. And then again, use your channel locks or your pliers to tighten it up. Reattach your water line. And let's turn this water valve back on. You can see now that it immediately starts to fill. None of that crazy noise now. There you go, guys, filling up nicely. About $10 part. Let's see where the water's gonna stop. And that's a perfect spot right there. Then we put the lid back on. Tissue box back on. We didn't spill a whole lot of water at the bottom, so pretty easy cleanup. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I do appreciate it. God bless you. Have a good day.